Oh, it's an R8? Is that Jason? Dude, I can't wait for him to twin turbo that thing. He's parked over there.
Hey, don't hit that car, it's a cop. I'm helping you, bro.
I'll be in the Mustang.
That sounds kind of wrong.
Wait till my team do that shit.
Damn, that sounds good.
He's the real deal taking an undercover cop for a
Is it
ride.
actually?
Yeah, it's the undercover. He's taking her for a ride.
Is that Jonathan Harder?
Oh my god, that is Jonathan
I
Harder.
am so. I'll blast all of you guys right now.
Wait, blast with what?
Hey,
Blast with what?
unclip that, dude. Don't put that in.
I'm putting it in there.
No, bro. People already fucking
That is so true.
Bro,
That's not me. I hate this lady, bro. I don't sound like a dick. Can't feel shit like that, bro.
Sounds good though.
I know, but one day it's just gonna like lose control. He didn't pull us over though. I tried. So I got that. You want to see? I have launch control. Dude, it was spinning. Like how was that not? A cop joke.
he hot as fuck.
When I went to go get your tires, bro.
They like, so I watched trying to hit the guy, though. He's trying to run him over. Yo, come peek, there's some bullshit. Look. Oh, run, nigga, run. Yo, come on. Hey, what is it like this road? Yeah, we're gonna come at. What happened was, they put me to there, and then fucking, I mean, he can't do shit, bro. He hopped out, yelled into the car, slammed the door. She trying to run this nigga over. He started walking over here. She tried to run his ass over. They yelling in the middle street. What she got in her hand though?
Yeah, she's like holding something.
Like a fucking guy, bro.
I think it's pepper spray.
Ah, chill. You better run. What you doing, bro? Run, nigga.
There's a whole kid in
the car. No way. It is?
No, there's a whole kid in the car.
She's trying to hit a nigga with a kid in the car. Oh, that's why he said stop, because there's no coming through. No way he about to get in the car. No way, that's not what?
Wait, where'd he go?
He got in the car.
What the fuck?
That's love.
Dad, or he's hanging down the side of it.
That is true love.
I'm so confused.
Yo, what the actual fuck, bro?
Well, that's a little bit of drama for y'all. That blue is pretty insane. I like. Yes, sir.
Back.
Damn. about to hop in this beast. It's full bolt-ons E, right?
Yes, sir.
Open. Here.
Red light camera ahead.
Come on.
Hit M2 twice. You're also not an M2. M2 opens exhaust. Hit M2 twice
Red
and then
light
open the
camera
exhaust.
ahead.
What do you mean hit M2, bro? Oh,
We gotta run an ash.
we good?
Yeah. Now you can put it neutral and then rev it. Then you'll hear it. Wait till they go.
Whoa, it's way louder.
What? Yeah.
All right, let's rip this off.
All right.
This thing is fast. You can tell this 30 years all boost.
Oh yeah. Alright, we're having a little fun. Gotta fill it up with gas real quick. M4, this thing rips. We're gonna let him drive this so I can experience what it feels like in the passenger seat. Alright, let's do it. Oh, you scared me. Let it rip. Watch out for the bite. Holy shit. Dude, third gear rips. Yeah, this thing rips. Oh, is that a Corvette?
It's ass. That sounds good.